Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, I hope that all of you feeling well at your houses and take much enjoyment of festival Raksha Bandhan and doing hard study. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about solution, that is called billion in Hindi. Okay, dear students, a solution is a homogeneous mixture, okay, and are consist by two parts, solute and solvent. Okay, a solution is consist by two parts, two component means, that is solute and solvent. When solute dissolve in solvent, they form solution. Okay, what is solute? This substance that dissolved in water or solvent called as solute. Okay, the substance that dissolve in solvent or water for making solution called as solute, and the liquids that dissolve the solute in it called as solvent. तो बेटा ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो सॉल्वेंट या लिक्विड दैट इज वाटर में डिजॉल्व होकर के विलयन बनाता है, सॉल्यूट या विलय कहलाता है, दैट इज शुगर, साल्ट एक्सेट्रा, एंड ऐसा लिक्विड जो सॉलिड को अपने आप में घोल लेता है टू प्रिपेयर solution called as solvent, that is water. Okay, this is called as universal solvent. So for preparation of solution we required two components, that is solute and solvent. There are some examples of solution, that is solution of sugar or sugar solution. Next, salt solution, salt solution. Okay, vinegar, alloys, are example of homogeneous solution or solution. Okay, in solution of sugar is a solute, water is a solvent. In salt solution, salt is solute and water is solvent. Okay, and you know that vinegar is a mixture of acetic acid and water. Okay, water is solvent and acetic acid is a solute. Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of zinc and copper and form brass. Means brass is an example of alloy which is consist by zinc and copper. Okay, so dear students, the properties of solution. what may be property of solution? Have you any idea? Property number 1, solution cannot be seen by microscope. Means solution particles cannot be seen by microscope. Means they are so smaller. Okay. Next, the size of solution particle is less than 1 nanometer. What? The size of solution particles are lesser than 1 nanometer. Okay. Next, the solution particle can pass through the filter paper. What? Solution particles can pass through filter paper. Okay, because they are so smaller that you cannot see either your naked eye or microscope. Okay. Next, the solution particles are homogeneous mixture. Okay. So dear students, types of mixture. Have you any idea that what are the types of mixture? See here, types of solution or homogeneous mixture. Types of homogeneous mixture. No, homogeneous types of solution. Okay. Number 1, solution of solid in solid solution of solid in liquid. Okay. Solution of liquid in liquid. Solution of gas in liquid and solution of gas in gas. Okay, these are the types of solution. Number 1, solution of solid in solid. Okay, that is alloys. You know that alloys are group of metals such as brass. Brass is solution of zinc and copper. So brass is the example of solution of solid in solid, that is LOIs. LOIs. LOIs are example of solution of solid in solid. Next, solution of solid in liquid, that is sugar solution, salt solution, salt solution. Sugar solution and salt solution are the examples of solution of solid in liquids. Okay, solution of liquid in liquid. When one liquid is solute and another liquid is solvent, they form solution of liquid in liquid, that is vinegar. Okay, vinegar is example of solution of liquid in liquid. Okay, in vinegar, water is solvent and acetic acid is a solute. Okay, in sugar and salt solution, water, in both cases, water is solvent, and sugar and salts are solute. Next example is solution of gas in liquids, that is the mixture of carbon dioxide in water. Okay, is a example of mixture of CO2 in water. Okay, water is solvent and CO2 is solute. Next is solution of gas in gas. Example is air. Okay, air is a example of solution of gas in gas. You know that in air, nitrogen gas is a solvent, while different gases behaves as solute. Okay, so dear students, I hope that all of you understood about solution, its property, its type, and see some examples. Okay, in my next video I will teach you about suspension. Thank you.